We want to look at how we can answer these two questions in mole concept in chemistry. Let us look at question number 1. From question number 1, we have been told that a solution was prepared by dissolving 20 grams of sodium hydroxide in 500 centimeter cube. So from the question, we have been given the mass of sodium hydroxide to be 20 grams. All right, and we also have the volume in the question as 500 centimeter cube. But one thing we need to know about the volume is that we are looking for the concentration in mole per dm cube. So we need to change from centimeter cube to decimeter cube. And how can we do that? We divide our volume given by 1000, and that will give us 0.5 decimeter cube. All right, we are looking for the concentration. All right, and mathematically, concentration is equal to mole divided by volume, or we can say amount of substance divided by volume. But from the question, we know the volume, but we don't know our amount of substance. So what can we do? We need to look for the amount of substance. We can also use this formula to get the amount of substance, where we have molar mass should be equal to mass divided by amount of substance. So what can we say? Here too we can say that amount of substance should be equal to mass divided by molar mass of sodium hydroxide. So we need to get our molar mass for sodium hydroxide so that we can calculate our mole now. So how can we do that? The molar mass of sodium hydroxide will be calculated using this approach. Since we have the relative atomic numbers or masses for the atoms here, we are going to sum them. So sodium is given as 23 and oxygen is given as 16, hydrogen is given as 1. And when we add everything, we are going to have 40 gram per mole, as we can see here. Now that we know our molar mass, we can now find the amount of substance. So our amount of substance equal to the mass. We have the mass in the question to be 20 divided by our molar mass, which is going to be 40. And when we divide this, we are going to have 0.5 mole, as we can see here. Now that we know our mole, we can now calculate our concentration. So our concentration will be equal to mole, which is 0.5. And the volume too, we have it as 0.5. And when we divide it, we are going to have 1 mole per dm cube, as we can see. So this is the approach we are going to use to solve our question 2. Solve question 2 and put your answer in the comment section. Thank you.